Chemical burn eye. In chemical eye injury, wash is everything. Chemical eye injury. These injuries are among the most destructive of all traumatic insults suffered by the eyes. They may occur in domestic, industrial, and military settings. Alkali causes liquefactive necrosis and so penetrates further than acids. Acid causes coagulative necrosis and so impedes their own progress. But note that very acidic solution may behave like alkalis. Prognostic factors. Most important is the pH of chemical, duration of contact, corneal involvement, and accompanying non-chemical injury as blunt trauma or impact. Features: conjunctival injection or blanching, chemosis, hemorrhage, epithelial defects, corneal epitheliopathy, punctate to complete loss, corneal edema, perilimbal ischemia, anterior chamber reaction, intraocular pressure raises, necrotic retinopathy, eyelids burn, and associated facial burns. Chemical burns in eye with contact lens. Chemical burn with contact lens in eye is much more dangerous. Chemical may form ring around cornea. Chemical vapors may accumulate inside the lens and will cause severe damage. Here are some pictures of alkali burn to the eye. Now some pictures of acid burn. Complications of chemical injury to the eye: conjunctival scarring, symblepharon, keratoconjunctivitis sicca or dry eye, significant limbal ischemia, conjunctivalization, vascularization, corneal opacification. Other complications are corneal melting and perforation. Full thickness burns, hypotony, iris, ciliary and lenticular damage. It may progress to pityriasis bulbi and it has very poor prognosis. Periorbital burns. First, second or third degree chemical burns of periorbital tissues. Strong alkalis in common use. Oven cleaning fluid. The chemical it contains is sodium hydroxide and the pH is 14. Drain cleaning fluid contains sodium or potassium hydroxide and its pH is 14. Plaster, it contains calcium hydroxide and its pH is also 14. Fertilizers, some fertilizers have ammonium hydroxide with the pH of 13. Strong acids in common use. Battery fluid, it contains sulfuric acid, pH is 1. Lavatory cleaning fluids also contains sulfuric acid, pH is 1. Bleach contains sodium hypochlorite, its pH is 1. And pool cleaning fluids have sodium or calcium hypochlorite, its pH is also 1. Important points while taking history in case of chemical burn injury to the eye. Time of injury, eyes rinsed or not, if yes, duration, solution and speed. Mechanism of injury, type of chemical and if the packaging of chemical available. Chemical eye burn management. Best management is early effective irrigation. Minutes counts against your patient. Don't wait for medical help to reach. To achieve neutral pH, average from 2 to 8 liter is needed for irrigation. Chemical eye burn. First aid at scene. Wash under running water for 20 to 45 minutes. Chemical eye burn. Immediate treatment. Neutralization of pH by irrigation. Even before taking a full history of patient. Copious irrigation. Avoid the lids to remove retained particulate matter in fornix as lime, cement, etc. Early effective irrigation. For this, never use a syringe because while using syringe for irrigation, fluid may be injected forcefully and it may cause further damage to the eye, which is already injured. Record and document time started and time ended of irrigation, amount and type of fluid used, and send this record with patient. Remember, In chemical eye injury, early and effective irrigation is crucial in saving the vision.